What's happening, Tube Nation? It's your boy Big Vic. Welcome to the app drawer. And Postmates is in the building. What's good, folks? So, hold on. Put the information out there like that. Just want to tear into this real quick. Let's see what we got. We're going to start doing Postmates here real soon. Got signed up. Knocking the camera down. Postmates bag, nothing else in there. Before we get to this one, let's check the bag out. Alright, so, nice little bag. So, as far as I know, they sent it for free. Let's get up in this bag. It's got a little piece of plastic in here that you lay across the bottom to help it support the bottom, whatever item you have in here. This material, though, I don't know about this material. You can look, it looks perforated, kind of. It doesn't feel as insulated as my caviar bag. Not even as insulated as my favorite bag. So we'll see. We'll see how this holds up. But they sent it for free. That's the thing. So got that. Welcome to Postmates. Let's read real quick. Activate your Postmates prepaid card. Get started by activating your card. Boom, boom. Get the app. Set up your direct deposit. Refer friends to earn more. Create a 5-star period. Triple check before you leave the merchant. Check the order. Make sure you have everything and read the notes for any special requests. Be friendly and professional. Pay attention to the details. Okay, basically, all the standard stuff, so I'm gonna take this off. I don't need nobody trying to pop that card when I'm online making money. So I'll start delivering today. Activate your card, download the Fleet app, link your bank account. I already got the Fleet app. So get the card right here. It's a black Visa. If you're using, if you're doing Favor, sorry, digging mine. That's what it looks like. Just a little black Postmate card. And caviar, you don't have to worry about that at all. Which caviar has been picking up steam lately. But we're gonna see how Postmates is popping. Since I can no longer do Amazon Flex, I'm gonna get on this Postmates, get back to making this money. I'm just leaving the daggone card in the view. Commercial prepaid card, cool. So yeah, this is what you get when you initially sign up. I don't know if they hit you with back charges for this bag. I know when I did Favor, I had to pay for my bag. I know when I did caviar, I had to pay for my bag. Postmates is in this one, so Postmates might be kicking butt. I just heard about it recently, but I also heard Michael B. Jordan on an interview say that he uses Postmates a lot. So maybe I'm just kind of late to the party. So we'll be bringing more videos. My first week experience with Postmates very soon. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. As always, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, peace and blessings. I say.